Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by connecting to the device or collector and pulling the exact log slice you need. Specify time range and include adjacent minutes to catch related events. Make sure timestamps match your local zone. Use SCP or the Firewall API, or point your syslog server at a temporary file. Once pulled, verify file size and checksum so you don't work from incomplete data. You'll move into parsing immediately after confirmation. Don't delay verification. You now parse each entry to extract core fields: timestamp, source and destination IPs, ports, protocol, action, and rule identifier. Normalize timestamps to a single format and map textual actions to allow or deny so comparisons are consistent. Use regex or command line tools like awk and jq, or import into a seam to auto-parse. Once structured, tag suspicious patterns, repeated denies, unusual ports, or high byte counts so you can prioritize the next investigation steps. You finish by aggregating and analyzing. Group events by source, destination port, and rule hit frequency within your time window. Interpret patterns, scans, brute force attempts, or business traffic, and estimate impact. Document concise findings with reproducible steps, timestamps, and suggested remediation like rule changes or block lists. Then implement fixes and monitor. If you can't find expected events, check for logging sampling, incorrect logging level, or clock skew.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.